Alright guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing of the HyperX Cloud Virtual 7.1 surround sound USB sound card. Okay, let's do this. Here we have the actual sound USB card. Take that out. Some decent packaging, some instructions. We don't really need that. And so with this, all you really have to do is plug it in. That's easy enough. I think I just have to plug it into there, and then thankfully it's also USB. So this will be able to go into just about any port. Not too bad. Pretty good quality. I like the cord. It's a nice mesh that can kind of be, it's very durable. So it feels pretty good. The plastics on here, it feels very polycarbonate, so it's not too bad. And I like the buttons on here, so I can't wait to see how these feel. Alright guys, so I'm gonna test it out. I'm just gonna plug this in and then we'll see how it goes. That's a pretty nice touch. Fits the HyperX theme and it fits my PC build pretty nicely. So with the HyperX Cloud Alphas attached to this, it's actually sounding pretty good. So I found that with the switch, so right when you press this button here, it lights up showing that it is on, and when you press it, you'll notice the surround sound taking effect. It actually sounds really good. You can also turn up the volume with these buttons as well, so that's pretty cool. So I'm just turning up to the max, and that shows up on the screen as well. Alright, doesn't feel too bad, not cheap. So far what I'm doing, I'm turning it on, turning it off. With the music in Fortnite, it's a little bit of a difference. It kind of boosts it a little bit. It does sound like it is kind of around new. I'll test it in Playground right now, see how it feels, or in like the pre-game Playground, I mean. But overall, it's not bad. This was about 25 bucks or so on Amazon. Very loud. It sounds very loud. I like this. If I turn it off, it still sounds pretty good. But when it's on, it's like this extra amount of immersion. It's not too bad. I think it's worth it. I think it was like the one thing missing where I felt like I wasn't actually taking advantage of these headphones. So with this, I feel like I'm getting the extra mile, and I will actually be able to get some great quality noise through this. So I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be a nice steal, I think, for anyone. So far from what I've seen, the HyperX sound card with 7.1 surround sound is pretty good. I think it's worth it. Check it out. If you want the full immersion, I'd recommend it. If you don't really care about sound, by all means, don't just skip out on it. Don't worry about it. But if you care about sound, and if you're looking to take advantage of every little sound for games, especially, I'd recommend getting this. So for Fortnite, Rainbow Six Siege, definitely try these out. For something like audio, it might also be pretty immersive as well. That's up to the individual though. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.